Welcome back, Griddle, Cook, Eat, and more. Today we're making Rotel Tacos for lunch. Seen a TikTok, short, whatever. Classic Rotel dip, everybody knows about that. Velveeta and Rotel melted. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna add our taco meat, mix it up, and then we're gonna use that as a filling in our tacos. We're gonna do crunchy tacos, because I love crunchy tacos. But you could do soft too, I guess. Super easy cook, simple. We'll kind of blast through it, and then biggest part is let's give it a try. Looks like they're gonna be good. All right, let's get it going. All right, first thing over here, I got some leftover onion that we're gonna use. I'm gonna put a little oil down in my pot. We'll get those diced up here. All right, like that. All right, when you're making Rotel, I mean, however you do it, you got your own little special ways. You can do that for sure. But I just had some leftover onion. Why not use it up? All right, looking good. Let's get some ground beef in there. All right, while that's cooking, let's get this Velveeta cut up. There we go, and see, we'll do one cut down the middle. Get our Rotel open, ready to roll. I'm just using the good old Rotel original. So if you like spicy, you can definitely get the hot and add whatever seasonings you want, jalapenos, all that good stuff. All right, let's crank this thing up a little bit. All right, for seasoning, got this. I've seen some people use this online in some videos. It's carne asada seasoning. I got it from Sam's. It's called Spanglish Asada. I guess maybe that's the brand name. But we're gonna try. I haven't used it yet, so we're gonna try that out. So let's get some in there. Put a good amount in there. We'll put a little more seasoning in there. Not sure how powerful it is, but looks like it needs more. It's looking good to me. Not almost done, so let's add our Rotel. All right, looking beautiful. Get a Rotel in there, or get our Velveeta in there. All right, just got some taco shells cooking in the oven. I'm gonna get this all melted down, get it good to go, and then we'll come back and put these tacos together. Here we go, look at this, looking good right there. So I think we're ready to go. I kicked my induction burner down on low. So, all right, here we go. Just a little spin here, we're gonna make a mess, obviously. Get some of this scooped in there. Oh man, knew this stuff was gonna go everywhere. All right, got my Rotel in there. We're gonna come back. We're actually gonna put some. I got some fresh Monterey Jack and cheddar, so we're just gonna double cheese this up. Just kind of do it like we would a regular taco. It's just gonna be extra cheesy, and then get some shredded lettuce. Like that, and then we got some, it's not in the bottle, but some good old Ortega taco sauce. Can't go wrong with that. There you have it. Let's give it a try. Oh yeah, it looks good there. All right, here we go. Oh yeah, I could eat these things all day long. Super good. And actually, that carne asada must have a little bit of heat to it, because typically I wouldn't think just regular Rotel. And what I had in there would give it a little heat, but it seems like it's got a little kick to it. First time using it, so. But yeah, oh man, definitely do it. Super easy. I mean, everybody knows Rotel dip. We've all had it, I'm guaranteed. And if you haven't had it, you gotta get it. I mean, it's just a classic. But yeah, put it on your tacos. You can do it on a soft shell, make a burrito, whatever you want to do with it. But yeah, just a good twist on it, you know, what you can use it for. There you go. Glad I stumbled across TikTok, someone doing that, because it's going to make a great lunch today. However, it's time for me to go finish these tacos off, and then we'll talk to you next time. I'm out.